Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind object in Snapseed. If you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app in your phone. Now choose a photo that you want text behind. Now the first step is to add the text. To add the text, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu. From here, if you scroll a bit, you'll see a text option. Click on it. Here, write anything that you want to. Once you enter your desired text, click on OK. And you can see our text has been created. But it is not behind the object. At first, I'll change the style of my text by clicking here. And once you're happy with the text, click here, save the changes. Now, what we have to do is click here and you'll see different options like undo, redo, revert, view edits, and QR look. Here, click on view edits and click on text. Now, you'll have to click here. Now, our text is not visible. To make it visible, click here and now we can see our text. Here you can see the value of text is 0. That means we can erase any part we want to. Now simply hover over the places that you want to erase the text from. And once you're happy with your selection, click here to save changes. And that's how we can add text behind the object in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.